the Government Blockchain Association, I'm the founder and the executive director of the Government Blockchain Association. And the Government Blockchain Association is a membership organization. So back around 2016, 2017, I realized blockchain was, a lot of people were excited about it, and everybody was talking about use cases, but there was really nowhere for them to go. So we created an organization. It's a membership organization, and it's for both public and private sector. So GBA has members in about 500 different government organizations around the world at the local, state, national, and international level. And the governments don't actually join GBA, it's the people in the governments. So what our goal has been is to create a fabric of people and technology. And so we use the term, we want people to connect, communicate, and collaborate all the time. So as you can see, we got folks all over the world. We got members that are city managers in the city of Moscow. We've got folks throughout the Middle East, Africa, throughout the United States. And so one of the ways they collaborate is in these different working groups. So we have over 50 working groups on everything from artificial intelligence to voting. And what happens is that the private sector or the public sector folks, they come in and they say, here's the challenges we're trying to solve, right? So for example, we have a land titling working group. We've got legal and legislative, standards, voting, emergency management. And so the public sector folks attend these meetings and they say, here's the problems that we're trying to solve. And the private sector folks say, here's our solution, here's our white paper, here's our demo. In addition to that, we do regular meetings all the time. We've got recurring meetings on a weekly, monthly basis, everything from investors and startups, artificial intelligence, healthcare, regulators, the blockchain and crypto for state and local governments. So this is a group where state and local public sector folks meet on the second Thursday of every month, and GBA members that have solutions for state and local governments basically share what they're doing. We do just all kinds of stuff. We also have conferences. So our next major conference is Blockchain and Infrastructure in Washington, D.C. at the National Press Club. Our speakers are fairly notable since this is an infrastructure event. One of our keynote speakers is a guy named Brian Kavanaugh. He was a special advisor to both Presidents Trump and Biden. I think he was one of the only officers carried across both administrations. He was executive director for U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Another speaker that we have is Dino, who is a CIO at the United Nations. He's actually leads the Digital Transformation Working Group for the United Nations. So all CIOs in the United Nations system, which includes the World Food Program, the World Health Organization. There's like 100 or 200 of these different entities. So he does a coordination across all of them. He's also a personal advisor to the Pope, which is for technology and communications, and is a blockchain maturity model lead assessor. Anyway, so what GBA does is we bring public and private sector people together to connect, communicate, and collaborate through a variety of different opportunities. We've got a YouTube channel with another way that we help promote our members. We've got a podcast, social media posts, all that sort of stuff. So it's really about creating an ecosystem where people in the blockchain community can meet with other folks to help build capacity, to leverage their skills, talents, and capabilities, and to open up business opportunities. So that's a GBA in a nutshell.